Look at that. What is that? It won't even move. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Amore Antasia, and today I have a huge hair update, a natural hair update. This is a setback, you guys, because my edges, look guys, listen, I had to just cut off 4 inches of my hair. My hair was nearly this long, literally nearly this long. Like, I'll show you guys clips of it before I cut it recently, and my edges are gone. Like, they look good now because well, maybe they look all right because I've put some edge control, but baby, when I say I've had a whole setback with my edges, they're just gone. I don't know if it's stress. I don't know if it's the new BC that I'm on. Like, if you're a girl, you get it. It's an IUD. Well, I had the pills, but now I'm on the IUD. But I'm working on a natural hair care line that's going to help with the edges growth. But for now, let's get into these extensions and how I make them look so natural. So these are the Kinky straight clip-ins from Curlsqueen. These are not seamless wefts, but they are just the regular clip-ins wefts, and I really needed these to make my hair feel full since the breakage. So first and foremost, let's get into the Curlsqueen packaging. This box was so cute. It was wrapped up like a luxury set, and when I opened it, of course, inside was extra clips, a bonnet, and a wig brush, or a Denman brush, basically to brush your tresses. It was packaged really cute. I appreciated the packaging. That did add a few points to the hair. The hair already had good quality, but I always judge by the actual quality of the packaging. And this is the little silk bag that comes with the tresses. And of course, the instructions are inside as well. So these are the entire wefts. What I like about these wefts is that it's natural looking African-American kinky type hair, but it's actually thick as well at the roots. So you can see that there's only one track, but it is thick. It's a nice length. It's a natural blackish color. So it comes with at least 2 sets per width. So this is the 5 set and this is the 4 clip set. And then there's 2 of the 3 that you can put like in the middle of your hair or at the top or the back. And then there's 3 pieces of the 2 clip-in sets. Now I only probably need to use like half of these just to fill in my hair. I have cut my hair about 4 inches at this point that you're watching now. So, but for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and use the full set. So I try to use the shorter ones in the back, but I felt like it might be too much. So I said I'll just do the 3 across the back, and then I'll keep building my way up into the 4 clip wefts. And honestly, this hair texture is more like a blowout / flat iron, but not necessarily like a super, super silky flat iron press, or you could say silk press. So I do like that I didn't have to really re-straighten my hair. I just kind of left it as is from when I flat ironed it the first time, and it seems to blend well. I just really needed it to just fill in some of the gaps, which is why I chose to actually place the wefts in between my real hair, because I didn't want to just do the braids in the back and then just use the clip-ins, because the texture actually matches with my natural hair when it's straightened. So I'm just clipping them in from bottom to top, like so. But I'm just using like thin parts, I guess you could say, in my hair, and just filling them in as I go. And look how seamless that looks already though. I also want to add that some people choose to put the smaller wefts at the top, like the shorter ones that only have 2, and some like to use the 4, the widest wefts around like the middle of my hair. But sometimes I just like to go as I please. That's the best part about having whole clip-in sets like these, where there's double each width, so you don't have to just rely on a long piece at the top, like how here in this section where it's not quite wide enough for me, but I just said I only want to put it in the middle of my head. And then as I get to the top, I can just fill it in with the shorter pieces and make it more versatile so that I can pull my hair up, do a half up, half down. But because my hair is so broken off at the top, I just decided to use this the widest weft, and just place it around the U shape. And you can still see that my edges, like, they're still dissipating away. So I definitely feel like I needed clip-ins just to make my real hair look fuller. I mean, once I cut it, it kind of looked better to me, but you know how some girls just feel a little insecure about like having thinner hair or broken off hair. So that's why I like the Curlsqueen's Kinky straight extensions just to fill it in. So now I'm at the top, and these are the shortest pieces that you can be really versatile by placing them like towards your bang area or on the sides. And I'm going for a middle part just to cover up both of those bald spots basically. So I just kind of played around and see what looks the fullest, but then I decided to add another piece just to make it look super full at the top, and it just blends right over it. Like I don't have to re-straighten my hair or flat iron it again. It just blends. Get into the hair quality, get into the actual texture. So let's go ahead and get into that, by the way. So I have not had any tangles. It didn't cause any split ends or anything like that. It didn't do any shedding at all, like no shedding. And for it to be this thick, I thought that it would tangle since it's kind of like the kinky straight, but it's more like the blown out look. So it's just really seamless. Like it feels really good. It's not too thick. I decided I could try a ponytail if I wanted to and just cover up the front part better. But for the video, I just decided to go ahead and keep it straight. I could have tried to do half up and half down, but then my edges were so broken off, I didn't even want to play with you guys. So I just chose to use edge control and sleek it down a little bit, and then you can see it. I think it looks really good. So comment below if you think that you have any tips to grow my hair, and if you like these extensions, make sure that you shop with Curlsqueens. Everything will be linked in the descriptions box for you to purchase, and any discounts as well. Bye guys. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video.